911.
Hello, this is Nick calling from the In-N-Out Burger in Manteca, California, all right off of Yosemite, I want to say. We have a customer who is being kind of hostile. He's in between both of our drive-through windows. We had a customer at the drive-through window, and then he was, like, slamming his car directly behind their car, hitting them in the bumper. But he kept hitting the gas, and he was, like very intentional with it.
Okay, so he struck their car with his car?
Yeah, he's in a white van. I'll see if I can get the license plate number for you. I don't see a license plate on the front. Looking in the back, the gentleman's wearing a 49ers jersey. License plate number. Are you ready for it?
Go ahead.
He's driving a Chrysler Town & Country, a white van. It's looking like it's got a lot of stuff, including a fishing pole, seat covers with the American flag logo on it.
Okay, is he white?
Glasses.
Gotcha.
Yes, sir.
White, black, Hispanic, Asian?
Larger white man. He has a little bit of facial hair, longer hair on the back, tattoos on his arms. I believe it's a Vernon Davis San Francisco 49ers jersey, all red. And we're refusing to serve him right now because, like I said, he was very hostile with the car in front of us. And, we're trying to get him out of the drive lane right now, but he's refusing to leave. We're refusing to serve him.
Okay, give me 1 second. Let me start getting somebody over there. Hang on real quick, okay?
Thank you.
And is the other person in the other car injured in any way?
The other people, we just had them pull forward right now. We'll go check with them shortly, but right now we're trying to make sure that we can get this out of here.
Okay, all right. 1 second, stay on the phone.
You're good, Cam.
5 King 2805. It's going to be In-N-Out Burger, 14930 East Yosemite, between the two drive-through windows. Sometime at 4:15, there's a subject in a white van, white Moldol, red Vernon Davis Niners jersey. He used his van to strike another vehicle. Now he's refusing to leave.
It looks like he's got a box of hazy little things in his car, too, some IPA, saying 6.7%. He's taken off from our drive lane right now, and he just left. I could tell you the direction of which he's going in as well, too. He went, let's see, he just went around our store. He didn't leave. He didn't go towards Cane's or nothing.
So he had a beer in his car?
I just seen a box of beers, but I didn't see if he had any open. Now he's swerving out. He just took our drive-through sign.
Okay. He just took off, and he hit the drive-through sign. He's dragging it.
And yes, he's leaving with the drive-through sign. Excuse me, give a sign in front of your car. Okay, perfect. We can let them handle you for now. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
And then he just hit the police officer. He hit his car directly.
Stay on the phone, sir.
G5, shots fired.
10-4, shots fired. 944, shots fired.
Sir, put your car in park. Put your car in park. G5, send me code 3 Phil so you can my car. Stop! Stop! G5, shots fired. Shots fired. Turn off your car! Put your hands up and turn off your car! Turn off your car! Slowly exit out of the vehicle! Turn off your car! Slowly exit out of the vehicle, sir! I don't want to hurt you! I don't want to hurt you! I don't want to hurt you! I don't want to hurt you, okay? Look, I want this to end peacefully. I don't want to hurt you. I want to provide you medical aid. Slowly exit out of the vehicle. King 5, we're going to need to lock down this whole parking lot. A firm. Right now he's smoking a cigarette, not compliant. Sir! No, I don't want to hurt you, okay? Slowly exit out of the vehicle. He's smoking a cigarette in his right hand. I can't see his left hand. Hey, let's back up, Azzy. Let's back up. Still can't see his correction, his right hand. He has a cigarette in his left hand. Yeah. King 5, if we can also get notice to Starbucks as well.
George 1, George 2 on scene. 10-4.
Bruce got it already.
I'm on. 10-4.
Why don't you just work with us a little bit? Will, you want me to engage with him? Yeah, go ahead. Come on, partner. Hey, let's just work together so we can get you out of here safely, man. What's the problem? Okay, then let's get you out of here since you didn't do nothing. You gonna work with us? We're not gonna come to you. We'd rather you come to us so no one gets hurt, man. So that it's the safest way possible, brother. Come on. What's your name? We're past that already. We're past that. Are you able to walk out of your car? Okay, hey, tell you what. Can you at least work with me on one favor for right now? Can you show us your right hand, make sure it's empty? Okay, just show us your right hand so we can make sure it's empty, yeah? Slowly move it up for us. Put your right hand up. Come on, partner. Your other hand. All right. Just keep it on out the window for us, yeah? There you go, there you go. Just keep it on out. Hey. Okay, we'll get you that burger after. Come on, why don't you step on out the car for us? Would you like to? Are you ready to move forward with this process? We want to get you out of your car. Are you going to work with us? Unfortunately, you are. We would rather do it in a manner that's safe for you and us, brother. We're not sending no one to you. Unfortunately, the other options we have really aren't the best. Let's get you out then. I know, man. We're past that at this point, though, sir. We're just trying to work with you so we can get you out of there safely. Nobody needs to get hurt, okay? We're not coming to you, man. You just want to talk to me? All right. Sounds like we have a little bit of mutual respect then, right? It sounds like we have a little bit of mutual respect then, right? So do me the favor of just coming out for us. I'll come talk to you back here. Come on, man. Just work with us, yeah? I know. I'd be pissed off too, but come on. We're going to work with you to get you out, yeah? No. Unfortunately, we're not coming to you, sir. What's your name? Charles? Okay. Is it okay if I call you Charles? Charles. We want to get you out of the car as safely as possible. Unfortunately, coming to you is not going to be an option.
Green bumper.
Let me know if they got traffic for me. Can you at least keep both the hands out the window for us?
Can we switch really quick, bro? Yeah. Actually, yeah. I'm switching. Take over. You got to go.
We're not coming to you, man.
That's lethal pointed right at you.
Because we're already in a sticky situation. We don't need to put ourselves in a position to make it worse for either one of us. So let's just get you on out. Charles, You can smoke all the cigarettes you want, but out here, man, it's better if we get you out the car. Charles, keep your hands up out the window, please. Keep your hands up out the window for us, please.
10-4.
Okay. Well, we can talk about that after, but right now my only job is to get you out of the car.
I'm between the seats with his right hand.
Charles, are you understanding what my goal is here right now?
Yeah, for you, sir, Kevin. How's it going to go?
Charles, I'll say it again so you can hear me in case you didn't. Our job's to get you out of that car safely. You're going to have to come to us so we can do that. Because, as I mentioned, it is the safest way for everybody involved right now, including yourself. We're in a parking lot full of other people that don't need to be a part of this, man. So for your sake and for everyone else's sake, it's best if we get you out the car.
We want a peaceful resolution to this, Charles. So why don't you just talk to me a bit? So we can come to an understanding together. Has he? Yeah. What's he reaching for?
What's that?
Is he reaching for anything?
His hand keeps dropping down. If he brings something out, I'll let you know. But
Charles!
Okay. Have we seen
You mind
anything?
answering a couple questions for me?
at this time. But his right hand keeps
Huh?
dropping down like below.
No, don't back up.
Alright.
10-4. Don't say anything else with this second.
Charles, don't start your vehicle. What do we need to do so that you comply with us? We want everybody to be safe. Can you please step out of the vehicle? Turn the vehicle on.
We need to pin that vehicle in. Hey, we need to pin the vehicle in. Watch out. He's mobile. You need to pin him in.
Get one of these vehicles over there.
Okay, I'm gonna pin him in if he comes.
Yeah. Hold on.
Crossfire!
Yeah, it's completely clear.
Ceasefire! Hey, get gloves. Let's get a med kit going. Hold on, get that shield. Get that shield.
I got the door. Yeah.
Door.
Turn it back.
It's locked.
Yeah, Roger.